It's after 7 o'clock, July 3rd, 2023. I'm sitting in my favourite spot in Sadler's Woods. When I go shopping, I like to sit here, drink some tea. Here's my tea. And what's fabulous is everyone's out in crowds, just watching, listening to bands and watching fireworks. So it's quiet here and I can hear the birds. They're up there somewhere. I can't see them. This tree just fell over. It wasn't like that when I walked past it 2 hours ago. We're in the flight path of Philadelphia International Airport. Wonder how much use this fire hydrant would be if it needed to be. Never has in my 40 years of living here. It's so cool here. It's lovely. We've had smoke from Canadian bushfires in the last few days. But the really nice thing about forests is they don't allow the smoke in. I always feel like when I walk into the forest, I always feel like I've cleaned my glasses because the air is so clean. It seemed like that plane scared them off. They aren't making nearly as much noise as they were. There's another one up there. Missed it. I can hear it. I can't see it. Well, the sun is it's nearly down. Though it won't be for about another hour. It's just a gorgeous evening. It's okay. Not a problem. Try not to get people in. First of all, because I don't have their permission, and second, because it's obnoxious. The light is sparkling on the trees. Now there's a wind. Gentle wind. Oh look, not so gentle up there. Yeah, it stopped. Oh. Where are you? It's amazing because I always think of lights sparkling on the ocean when I'm in Puerto Rico, but I never really thought about the light sparkling off leaves. But it's really sparkling, oh my gosh. Where are they? Oh, there's a bird. Occasionally I've seen deer race through here. Once I saw a daddy, a mommy, and two little kids of deer and rabbits. I have once I saw a snake, and I've seen an owl egg. It's a gorgeous little forest. It's about 28 acres in Camden County, New Jersey. And it has quite a history, Sadler's Woods, and I've talked about the history before. You see some of the birds are over there. They're all around. Well, I hope you've enjoyed listening to the birds with me. Susanna J. Dodgson, July 3rd, 2023, Sadler's Woods, New Jersey.